In a long hallway with checkered floors and pipes above, a man worked alone. He was called the operator, and his days were filled with buttons and dials. Red cables connected the machines like veins, always softly glowing. At the end of the hallway sat a giant, silent stone. One day, something changed. A black cat walked in. The cat watched the operator, unafraid. The next day, the cat returned and watched him work. Soon, they were companions. The man talked, and the cat listened. But one morning, the operator did not come. The cat waited. Still, the man was gone. With a gentle paw, the cat touched a button. The cat climbed onto the machine, exploring with curious paws. The operator never returned, but his work continued. The black cat with its red collar kept watch over it all.